Alright, so this is what Solar Guard looks like after 15 years. I have rags in there because I'm gonna try to remove it using the steam cleaner, and I don't want the speakers to get wet. And I know it's Solar Guard because it says right there, tinting material supplied by Solar Guard. I know now the material's probably much better compared to 15 years ago. So I'm gonna try to remove this. Hopefully it comes out good. It's so old, it might either fall apart while I'm removing it. Also, it might leave a lot of adhesive. I know there's other methods out there using, I think I've seen on YouTube, you can use ammonia, but I don't want to use any of that stuff because I heard it's bad to breathe in, and plus I don't want it falling on the interior. So I'm gonna just use a steam cleaner. It's just water, and we'll see how it turns out. That's how it looks. It's all bubbly. And the sides are not too bad. They're kind of blurry, but there's no bubbles. The goal is to remove all this in one piece without leaving any glue. Here's the steamer I'll be using. It's by McCullough. Just waiting for it to heat up. I don't know if it's focusing. It's picking up most of the glue, so it's working. I don't know if that's glue or... Yeah, it looks like it left. I don't know if that's glue. Oh yeah, left a little bit of glue. It looks like if I don't steam it enough, it like tears apart. So I have to make sure I steam it really good, or else it'll kind of stick, like this part right here. I don't know if you can see that, like right there, it was sticking on the window. So I just gotta take my time and steam it up. There's a lot of glue right there. Basically all this is still glue. Watch, you can see it when I do this. I gotta be careful not to hit the defroster lines, but there's the glue right there. Alright, so I removed all the window tint, and then now left behind it looks like glue. I have to use either acetone, Goo Gone, or WD-40. I'm gonna see which one works the best. That's how it looks. There's the old tint right there. Alright, so I did a test on which product here removes window tint glue the best. And out of these four, starting on the left, Goof Off removes it the best. And then second is 409 multi-purpose cleaner, and then the alcohol, and then the WD-40. For the Goof Off, I just spray it on there and I just let it sit for like a minute, and then I just wipe it off and it comes right off. As you can tell over here. Alright, so you basically just spray it on there, let it sit for a minute, and then just wipe it off. Alright, it's all done. There's still a little bit of glue still, like I missed a spot right there. I missed a spot right there. But pretty much all of it is gone. Looks good. Alright, I saved $100. The other day I went to the tint shop and I got a quote to remove the window tint, and he said it would be $100. So save yourself the money. Go buy Glue Gone, spray it on there, let it sit for a minute, and just wipe it off. Repeat it 2 to 3 times and it should look like that.